Coming down from Tsa Moshoeshoe, this one is called Mama. Such a beautiful song, very emotional also. Who was shooting the video? The visuals are really good.
Thank you. Yeah,
you did.
Mokoena visuals, so yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a really nice song. There you have it, guys. I'm waiting for those comments. Tell me if you're feeling it or you are not. Before we have this conversation, 58585177, 58585177. I have them in the studio. I'm gonna allow them to introduce themselves because on the video there's just too many of them. But I saw the two ladies like it was on Mokoena is here also, and yeah, welcome to Bokamoso 974, guys. Please do the honors, do the introduction, say hi to the listeners. You are on. Yeah.
My name is Precious Joy.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm the singer.
I saw you.
I go by Qobo. I'm
Qobo.
a dancer and a model.
Okay, you guys, by the mic, closer to you.
Yo, this is Koete, Lavish.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you also here. Lavish, not
Lavish.
Okay.
Lavish, yeah.
All right. Try to use this one.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Okay.
yo, yeah, Mokoena.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not that this is about you only, but where does the name Mokoena? What inspired the name? Because the last time I checked, only Kadi.
Kadim Rapanzola.
Yes.
Yeah, Kadim Rapanzola was more about the hip hop and
Okay.
he was more about bridging the gap between hip hop and Panzola.
Okay.
Hence why Rapanzola.
All right.
Yeah, but now I'm all about doing more cultural music
Okay.
that appeals a bit more to Bachelor, not just hip hop listeners.
All right.
So yeah, Mokoena was very natural.
Are you gonna change your name again if you decide to do another genre?
If I feel like it's necessary.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Welcome to Bokamoso 974, guys. I just want to find out, how did you come about? What inspired Tsa Moshoeshoe?
Well, what inspired Tsa Moshoeshoe is again that day Mokoena got this whole idea,
Okay.
and he was like, hey guys, we're another talent they take videos, some are producers, dancer. So he was like, guys, no, how that unity that we will achieve greater things, and here we are now. That's basically what it is.
All right. So like there is more of you guys, like the bangata.
Yeah.
I heard you saying the dancers, the producers, and dancers.
It's
Yeah.
all about unity.
Okay.
Because as you can see, most of the people who appeared on the music video are not here today. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
only some of them.
Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. So I want to know, because I've heard Kadi saying I have to get used to that one. I heard him saying that the name Anna is before Mokoena was inspired by hip hop and Bantola. So meaning he's in a different genre right now. So I just want to find out what is it called? And how would you describe the music that you typically create?
It's about because each and every one of us we specialize maybe a different genre, but mostly we are very versatile. Because earlier when we dropped our first ever project earlier this year, it was called Amelia, you know.
Alright.
It was more like the Niger type of song, you know. And this one is a bit more a fusion of hip hop and Niger and Basotho cultural music, you know. So on our next song we'll be dropping an Amapiano song. So so yeah, we are very versatile.
Which is good. I believe every artist has to be versatile.
Yeah, so the bad thing about hip hop is you only need because hip hop they only always just want to rap all the time. So it can't always be about raps all the time.
Okay.
There's no dancing.
There's no dancing.
Like much moves this
So,
day.
are you a dancer?
Yes, I'm a dancer.
Okay, now I see.
Yeah, she's one of the
I
best
see.
dancers in the country.
Oh, really?
Tsa Moshoeshoe, you know the best of the best.
Okay.
Those
It's
dances,
a family of
everybody.
talent.
It's
I could say.
as I said, it's all about unity, like standing as one, really the best.
I believe it must be really crazy when you get in the studio trying to come up with something because there's just too many of you and we know more about bangata. Things are never easy to achieve.
Yeah, true.
So tell me about your creative process. The moment you get into the studio and try to come up with something, take me through that.
You know, for Tsa Moshoeshoe, being in a studio, it's very easy because how would hard out to like write a song and it's very easy. The only hard thing probably as you said, but we always try to talk things out and to make music is very, very easy because and dancing too, I'm pretty sure all our dancers but about your stuff and it's very easy to like because this is talent. So talent is so yeah.
Okay, I want to understand. So you get in the studio, there's a producer, composer, you know how you call them. Who is a beat? The moment you hear the beat, that's when the ideas keep coming up. The lyrics
It really depends.
That's the creative process around you.
It
Okay.
really depends because sometimes we write the song first, and sometimes we just hear the beat. For example, in Mama we wrote the chorus before Kafumana beat.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I'm talking about Mama, this song that we just played. The main reason why we are here. How did it come about? Take me through the creative process. Because I want to find out what inspired it and everything.
So we are in our daily lives, but we are facing a lot of challenges like Kamala being. So we wanted, as much as we're an entertainment family, we wanted to more like all about turn-ups and nice music. To make people see or make them feel that we do like no one other within this
and that's why music should be relatable.
Exactly.
If you are in this mood, you listen to this song. If you want to be inspired or go through a certain thing.
Hotata tata kalapeng ke tlala fela kalapeng le moditaro hona tjena sa le ntate a tswa fe jwale mama wa sokola masisa pelo kalapeng ke hloka kganya le lese ka mathata ebile ke huka peke le fotsholo ke nako ya ho sebetsa ke palama bese tsa ho se ke phanda everywhere ke rider wave se ka vector zama everyday le ha o le thata ntse ke beya tshepo wena ramase mama wa sokola